So very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about the tokens, keywords and the identifier which are very used in the C programming concept. These are very simple concepts, but these are the most important concepts in the C programming. While we write or read any program, so there should be the tokens, keywords and identifier. So we will discuss each and everything about the tokens, keywords and identifier in the upcoming video. So before going to that, again I would like to tell you, you have to subscribe this video or this channel for daily updates and to clear the concept of the C programming step by step. So let's go and discuss these things. So character sets in C. So this is again important thing. We know that in every language there is a character set, and as that C has also his own character set. Now what is the character set? A program is a set of instructions that when executed generate an output. The data that is processed by a program consists of various characters and symbols, and the output generated is also a combination of characters and symbols. And a character set in C divided into numbers, letters, special characters, white space, or white space is also called the blank space, and these characters are divided in these parts. So we will discuss what are they in detail. A compiler always ignores the use of characters, but it is widely used for formatting the data. Following is the character set in the C programming. As we know, we are always used various letters, and that are the English letters from capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. Though these are in the letters. Then the numbers, all the digits from 0 to 9 are the numbers that we have used in the character set of the C programming. And also the white spaces. Now what is the white space? White space is the blank space, new line, carriage return and the horizontal tab. So these are the set of the white spaces, and blank space is one of that. So these are the white spaces, and again the special characters are there on the keyboard, and all these characters are the character set of the C programming. Now we will see what are the characters are there. Like that, this comma, dot, semicolon, colon, question mark, these all are the symbols or special symbols which are present on the keyboard. That all the symbols are the special characters and are the best examples are included in the character set of the C programming. So what is token? So token is the smallest unit in a C program. It is each and every word and the punctuation that you come across your C program. So whatever the thing present on the keyboard, whatever the symbols and other things comes across the punctuation marks also, these all are the tokens. In other words, we also say that the compiler breaks a program into the smallest possible units, and that units are called the tokens, and proceed to the various stages of the compilation. A token is divided into 6 different types, and these 6 different types are keywords, operators, strings, constants, special characters and the identifier. Means every single unit, small unit, is a token, and these tokens are divided into 6 parts. The number 1 keyword, operators, string, constant, special characters, and the identifiers. Now, so this by this diagram we will very clear what is the token. The tokens is a set of keywords, strings, constants, identifiers, operators, and the special characters. These all are included in the token. So now what is the keywords and identifier? Because keywords and identifier, again the important thing that we have to discuss today. In C, every word can be either a keyword or the identifier. When we write a program in the C, then every word or every thing that we have used in the programming, that is either a keyword or a identifier. Keyword has his fixed meaning, and the meaning could not be changed during the program or during the execution. They act as a building block of a C program. There are total 32 keywords in C. Keywords are always written in the lower letters because the C is the case sensitive language, and that's why we have used all the keywords. Keywords are the reserved word and their meaning is fixed, and these keywords are always used in the lower case. Now we will see what are the various 32 keywords are there. So these are the 32 keywords that we have used in the C programming, and that is auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, short, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, float, signed, size of, static, struct, switch, type define, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and the while. These 32 keywords we always used in the programming. And what is the keyword? The keywords are those words which meaning is fixed and that cannot be changed during the program execution, and these keywords we can't use as a variables. Okay. And what is now identifier? An identifier is nothing but a name assigned to an element in a program. For example, name of the variable, functions, etc. Identifiers are the user defined name, consist of C standard character set. Means we can use or we can create a name of variable, name of the function are the user defined name, and for consisting these names or these identifier, we use the standard character set that we have already defined. As the name says, identifier are used to identify a particular element of a program, that is called the identifier, and each identifier must have a unique name. And these are the following these rules that is followed for identifying, or these are the rules for create the identifier. Okay, as we have just discussed about the variable, the rules are somewhat same. The first character set or first character must always be a alphabet or a underscore. It should not be a number. It should be formed using only letters, numbers, or underscore. A keyword cannot be used as an identifier. It should not contain any white space character. White space means backspace and other spaces that we have discussed earlier, and it should not contain any white space while creating the identifier. And the name must be meaningful. Means whatever the name we have given to the we have given to the variable, or we have given to the any structure or other thing, should be meaningful. So these are the important rules for the identifier. Now again we will discuss a short thing. A token is the smallest unit in a program, and keyword is a reserved words by language, and there are total 32 keywords, and identifier is used to identify elements of the program. So here today we have discussed what is the keyword, what is the token, what is the identifier. Again we will back to the diagram that we have discussed. What are the tokens? The tokens is the collection of this keyword, string, constant, identifier, operators and the special characters, and every single term or every single word be a token in the C program. It should be as an identifier or the keyword. It is identifier or the keyword. So this is about what is token, what is keyword, what is identifier, and all these things. So this is enough for today. You should clear the concept of these, and whenever we write a program in C, you should keep in mind these are the various concepts of the C programming. So thanks a lot for today, and if you have not subscribed yet to this YouTube channel or my channel, you just subscribe it for daily updates and like it. And if you have any query, you just comment me by writing a question or by suggestions. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.